In this video, I'll show you how to change your password on TurboTax. Once you are on your TurboTax account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom below Refer and Earn, you want to click on the first option, which is your Intuit account. Now that will open a new tab, and this will be your Intuit account manager. On the navigation panel on the left-hand side, at the bottom, you want to click on the second option, which is Sign In and Security. Now, once you do that, you will automatically see your sign-in info. From here, you want to head over to the bottom and click on the third option, which is password. Now, once you click on password, in here, you need to add your new password. So from here, we will just add a simple password, and we want to confirm it. And once you have your new password at the bottom, simply click on Save. And once you click on Save, as you can see at the top, it will automatically say that your password has been updated. Now, the reason why it did not ask for our recent password as well as verify is because whenever you open your Intuit account into the website, it will automatically verify your account. And from there, what you need to do is just simply head over to your email address. You can enter the code or your password, and then you'll be able to access your Intuit. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.